Hey everyone, welcome to this training. Today we are going to be going through how to upload an email list. Now, the email list is awesome because you can use it, you can create a lookalike audience from it, but you can also drive traffic. So say, for example, you have an email list full of contacts and customers and prospects. It's a really great opportunity for you to continue to get in front of your audience, not only through an email generation campaign, but you could also create a lookalike audience based off of that email list. So what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to focus on is we're going to get an email list downloaded into the system. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into audiences. When we are in audiences, what's going to happen from there is we are going to click create audience, similar to our custom audience. We're going to type in custom audience there. Now, what we're going to do from there is we're going to type in customer file. So this creates an audience using your existing customer information. Data will be hashed before upload, and we won't store it afterwards. So what's going to happen is we're going to click customer profile. Most of you guys probably won't have a lifetime value included in there. So you'll just essentially, if you have MailChimp, you can actually has a direct information for MailChimp. If you have that, if you don't, you can click use a file that doesn't include a LTV rather. I use Infusionsoft, so in that circumstance, we're going to click this. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to click upload file. We're going to scroll through here, and we are going to go into here. I have my stuff saved here. We are going to go into Infusionsoft. I gotta find my strategy. Gotta find my Infusionsoft contacts. Give me 1 second here, guys. Leads. There we are. Infusionsoft contacts. This is from 2019. So what we're gonna do is it's CSV or an Excel file, either or. You want to make sure that it actually shows up there, and you want to make sure it's hashed properly. So whatever CRM, customer relationship management software you're using, you're going to download it from there. Click that. You click open. From here, you're going to name it. So I named it Infusionsoft Contacts 2019. This is my entire contact list. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the origin of the upload. You either have from customers and partners, directly from customers, or from partners, advertisers source information directly from the partners, agencies, yada, yada. Most of you probably directly from your customers. Click that. You go next. And then what we want to do is we want to map the data. So we want to make sure that we have first name. We want to make sure we have last name. So that hash that data. These are everything that you can add. So it's not a huge deal. We want to scroll all the way down there. Emails in there as well. So biggest thing you want, first name, last name, email. And then what Facebook is going to do is it's going to go through all of that information, and it's going to essentially comb through Facebook to find these people. So what we do is we click upload and create. It's going to upload that there. Awesome. That's an old contact list. And there's Infusionsoft contacts. So what we can do, so Infusionsoft contacts, these are technically would be probably unless if they're prospects and they're already in your email list, they might be top of funnel, they might be middle of funnel, they might be bottom of funnel. But how to make a top of funnel would be always, like we mentioned, a lookalike audience. So we can actually take these contacts. Say, for example, these are just our clients. We take the contacts, we click action, so we create a lookalike audience. We choose Canada. Choose that, boom, boom. There's 238,000. I always try to keep it around 1%. If you want to go higher, you can. Like I said, you always just test and learn, figure out what doesn't work. I find the most success in the 1% mark for the audience size. And I click create audience. And then what it does from there, it creates the lookalike audience. This is, again, in my top of funnel. What I want to do is I'm in my ad sets. My ad set is my targeting. My ads makes sense as the video. I can change up the ads. So from here, what I'm going to do is, say, for example, I wanted to duplicate. I could duplicate this, the ad campaign. I just want to make sure that it's a clear ad set. So 50% lookalike from Infusionsoft contacts. I'm still in my top of funnel. From there, I click on, rather than that, I remove that. And I find, where are we here? Custom audience. I find that. I type in my Lookalike Infusionsoft contacts. Boom, we're good to go. Now, say for example, you like this. It's really important to change the location. If your clients are in Peterborough and you are targeting Peterborough clients, you want to get more clients like them. Make sure you type in Peterborough and you change the area in which you're targeting. And then you click publish. Boom, we're set to go. From there it is. There's the lookalike audience. It's all set to go. That's so like I mentioned, lookalike audiences are always top of funnel because it's cold traffic running into the ad. Hope you found this useful today. We will chat with you soon.